बेस्ड। तो एक सेकंड, मैं एक्चुअली मेंटेनर से भी बात कर रहा हूँ। सो आई विल पुट ऑन लो फाई वन म्यूट। मैं बात खत्म करके देन लाइक वी सी कि क्या चेंज करना है एंड देन उसके हिसाब से वी डू इट। फ्रोजन नहीं है, मैं मेंटेनर से बात कर रहा हूँ। मतलब डिस्कॉर्ड पे स्क्रीन शेयर नहीं कर सकता, मतलब चैट दिख जाएगी। तो बेसिकली जो कल का बात, शाश्वत कल की स्ट्रीम अगर तेरे को देखना है, उसमें हम पोस्टग्रेस का थोड़ा कोड देखा। जो ट्विटर पे विनय है, उसने एक ब्लॉग लिखा है। क्या कहते हैं कि तुम्हारे जो एसक्यूएल क्वेरीज होते हैं वो भी ट्रांजैक्शंस होता है। वेरी नाइस ब्लॉग बाय द वे। तो बीच में जो पार्ट आता है, आई थिंक यू विल एंजॉय। बट अभी बेसिकली मेंटेनेंस से बात कर रहा हूँ। तो जो कल का इशू सॉर्ट कर रहे थे, मुझे लगा कि समझा दो थोड़ी देर में। आई थिंक कॉन्वर्सेशन में अभी बात हो रही है। It's fine, brother. Is it fine? I know. Hell yeah. Okay. थोड़ी देर में स्क्रीन शेयर करता हूँ। अभी बस ये एक बार कंफर्म कर लो कि जो इशू सॉल्व कर रहा है, जो इंटेंडेड बिहेवियर चाहिए एंड जैसे सोचना है उसके बारे में, वो मैं सही सोच रहा हूँ कि नहीं। बिकॉज अपेरेंटली जो यूजर एक फ्लो कर रहा था वो इंडिपेंडेंट फीचर्स का था, तो मुझे लगा कि वो इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है, तो वही बता रहा है। They have to be separate because it has been like that for 5 years. Because CSV export is not that valuable, so we don't want to complicate or spend too much time on it. Okay, I think we can start in 2 minutes. But वैसे काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है तुम्हारा जो अभी, मतलब वो इशू भी खोल देता हूँ। ऑन टाइम CP ऑन टाइम। I'm not trying to convince you anything. By the way, it is. You're welcome to challenge and disagree. Thank you. ओके, आई थिंक वी कैन नाउ स्टार्ट ऑन द इशू. अब समझ में आ गया कि इशू क्या था. तो डिस्कॉर्ड बंद. नाइस. ओके, स्क्रीन शेयर. लेट्स गो फाइनली. ब्रो 15 मिनट तो हम बात ही कर रहे थे. ओके, स्क्रीन दिख रहा है. ग्रेट. ओके. तो अब आई थिंक छोटा सा बग है. अब आई थिंक यू नो लेकिन इसके बारे में इतनी चिंता करनी है बिकॉज अभी तक क्या हो रहा था. लेट मी फाइंड इशू. एंड एक्सपोर्ट एक्सेल. आई थिंक ये वाला था. नहीं ब्रो, इशू में भूल गया क्या. कहाँ गया. Improvements, feature requests, place sound when timer is up, send messages anywhere. Brother, where is issue? हाँ, I think ये वाला था. नहीं, import block events करके कुछ था. Blocks. ये वाला. Okay, तो basically क्या हो रहा था अभी तक? Created blocks in the app and exported as CSV, uploaded to Google Sheets for further editing, download Excel from Sheet. When I import the spreadsheet, the blocks appear as events with start, end, and duration at all times. ये originally bug था. अब मुझे लगा कि backend पे ये चीज. हाँ, backend पे. Okay, we're going to ignore this part. But basically backend पे जब मैं देख रहा था तो उसका कोड उस पर्टिकुलर चीज के लिए accommodate नहीं कर रहा था. एंड मुझे लगा कि जो फ्रंट एंड से हम CSV एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं एंड देन इंपोर्ट कर रहे हैं एक्सेल शीट के थ्रू, आई थॉट वो वन ऑन वन कनेक्टेड है. मतलब कि वो फीचर एक इनपुट ऐड करेगा, आउटपुट ऐड करेगा. बट अपेरेंटली वो दोनों सेपरेट फीचर्स है क्योंकि 5 साल के लिए वैसे ही था. एंड मतलब उसको लिंक करने में सेंस भी नहीं बनाता. प्रॉब्लली बेटर टू हैव एक फ्लो डायरेक्टली इन दोनों के लिए. तो कीपिंग दैट इन माइंड, बेसिकली हमें क्या करना है कि जब हम यहाँ से थैंक यू, यहाँ से जब हम ये CSV एक्सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं तो उसमें एक और फील्ड आ जाए जो ठीक से मैप कर पाए इस पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन को. वो ओके इस पर्टिकुलर फंक्शन को जिसमें जब हम वापस एक्सेल एक्सेस से इंपोर्ट करें तो ठीक से कर पाए. गेट इट. लुकिंग Grips? What is looking grips, brother? Also से याद आया. Also मैंने आज अपना वॉलपेपर चेंज करा फोन का. एक स्पाइडरमैन का वॉलपेपर डाला है, which is great by the way. Anyway, ये 7-7:30 तक रैप अप करते हैं, because अभी I think छोटा सा इशू है, so we should be good. But dude, also मतलब इस पे मेरे को सोचा था कि एक सेकंड. Anything else? I don't think so. Let's go. Okay, अब सॉल्व करते हैं. Now I think छोटा इशू है, तो मैं क्या करूँगा, जो भी मैंने यहाँ पे चेंजेस करे हैं, I will delete all of them. इसको भी हटाओ. Exit. मैं एग्जिट नहीं करते. एग्जिट. ओके. git stash clear. git checkout master. git pull करते हुए git branch d. nice. ओके. अब इसमें apps client एक्चुअली एक सेकंड पहले सर्वर चालू करते हैं. सर्वर npm dev apps client. Okay, we can be good to go. इसको I think आई डोंट थिंक अब इसमें इशू आएगा बिकॉज बेसिकली यहाँ पे आई थिंक मेरे को टाइमर टाइप करना है, समझ रहे हो, which is will it be accurate? जो import map है, yeah, I think not the best way, but उन्होंने भी बोला मतलब कि incorrect नहीं है but inaccurate है, समझ रहे? Oh my god, got to know it from Twitter. How do I start Vim? Oh my god, Twitter mentioned and Vim mentioned. Let's go. How do I start Vim? Genuinely पूछ रहे कि बकवास कर रहा है भाई. Like, are you trolling my dude? पहली बात तो अगर लोग आए रहे तो एक second. I will just pop out chat onto a new tab. Shashwat, genuine. Oh, okay. Then okay. Just give me 1 second. Wait, genuine यार ये तो crazy. 3 top live chat. I'm a fresher. Oh, okay. Interesting. See, the thing is, I know Milind, so you know, like I have a friend who's called Milind, and he would do something like that. Okay, how do you start with Vim? I mean, are you on Linux? Are you on Windows? You know, that's like a question. Not that it matters, but क्या कहते हैं? Like, if you are on Windows, you would want to. Oh, फिर तो no tension, boss. Okay. Yeah, then basically, there's this guy called the Primageal on YouTube. This guy. So what you do is, he has like good tutorials on like how to get started with Vim. One is you would install it. If you're on Mac, I think you would do like brew neo. Yeah. You can install it here. It'll set up the basic like config files and all for you so that you can pull it up on terminal. And then he has a Vim. Yeah. You can watch this playlist. Yeah, I'll just send it here. Yeah. So yeah, good stuff. And that's like, it's more of just practice rather than like, you know, just like using it. Once you use it, you'll get good at it. Once you get good at it, you'll automatically like, you know, like then you don't have to like think about what you're doing much. It's a bit of a learning curve, but then like anything worth its salt is learning, right? Okay, anyway, now I'm gonna get back to this. CSV export, util. Yes, sir. Timer type. Actually, this will be type, and this will be timer type. Just to confirm, packages, types the util stuff, import map, no? Feature, timer type, let's go. Okay, because like backend में इसको हम small case में कर रहे हैं. Okay, I think we're sorted. Downloads, run demo, let's go. Okay. The point is, now if I convert this to this should be timer type. Why is that not timer type? Okay. Neo propaganda is working so I know, crazy. देख, अगर नियो में बात नहीं होती तो हम इसके बारे में वैसे भी नहीं करते. The fact कि मैं टेलीस्कोप पुल आउट कर सकते हो और क्या क्या बकवास, you know, arts mentioned by the way. Anyway, timer type event. Okay, Shashwat ready? Okay, load हो जाए. Tan stack router by the way, I think. Okay, delete all. Point is कि अब अगर मैं इसको import करूँगा, तो मैंने इसको export नहीं करा ना. Import preview. Okay. तो सिर्फ 2 ही दिखा रहा है. Bro, what? एक फीचर बनाते दूसरा टूट जाता है. I would also ask Ashwat about how to get started into about his Twitter spaces on porn. Oh, damn. Shashwat, क्या बात? Okay, that is not what we wanted. Why did that not work? I thought that would work. सर्वर पे जाओ. parcel yeah, just to log कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं यहाँ पे. console.log event. Okay. Do I have to do that again? Probably better way to do this, but ठीक है. What? I don't do low level. For me, low level is just actual firmware kernel level. I just build stuff. शाश्वत ये low level ही है. Outside of LinkedIn, I was overrun by inspired by it. Yeah. Hey, you can just do things. Yes. चल नहीं रखे. Waiting only. नहीं, बट जनरली बता भाई, ये लो लेवल ही है. जो तेरे लिए लो लेवल ये होगा, बट घर पे हो भाई. ये एसी घर वाला पीजी वाले में एसी नहीं है. दिस इज आई एम बैक होम राइट. क्या चेक करना था? कंसोल लॉग ना. स्पोर्ट. I could just import वैसे ही. Timer type ID. Okay. What? Not sure what, बड़ी सेकेंड ईयर में के तो काफी कूल चीजें कर रहा है. ये रजिस्टर नहीं हुआ क्या? ओके, एल्स आई गेस इधर डाल सकते हैं. ओके. इवेंट फाइनल। मैं बस लॉग कर रहा हूँ सर्वर पे चेक करने के लिए कि मिस का हो रहा है मेरे फील्ड्स। इवेंट बिफोर, ओके। ये मेरे रनडाउन में हो रहा है। What? Now that doesn't make sense. Oh, what? ये तो issue हो गया। What are we getting in Excel data? Excel input, Excel data. शाश्वत गाइड ब्रदर, लो लेवल मेरे को नहीं आता। हाँ, इसमें तो सब आ रहा है। Where is it losing these events? Type event, block, event. Rundown metadata is const event. If timer type index is block, do this. Okay. Which is what we're doing. And if it is this, oh, I think I know issue क्या है. Is known timer type on time utils. On time utils slash source slash feature spreadsheet import is क्या था? Is known timer type ना? Is known yes. Got the issue. Currently doing promises etc. JS promises में ही है, promises JS में है। I mean तुम लोग बात करो, मैं तब तक सोचता हूँ। क्या हमने बोला था? When the users import an Excel file, they can provide an import map. A second. It's the type and timer type properties of on time. Okay, the CSV export and Excel import do not have a one-on-one relationship. Yes, this is because the CSV export is a machine-to-machine communication transport. While we expect that CSV is for human-readable documents, ठीक है? The entry type in on time is behind the property type, but in Excel this is abbreviated to a timer type column, which aggregates the type and timer type properties of. Oh, okay. When the users import an Excel file, they can provide an import map. If we were to export a column type, all they would need to do is change the import map to use that column as timer type. I understand this may not be ideal, but the smallest change we can make that gets this to work without changing and breaking a large part of our import setup. Mm, makes sense. So passing blah blah blah. Okay. Connect the CSV export the XXL import. Got it. Hmm. ठीक है. Okay. तुम लोग क्या बातें कर रहे हो यार? What is your building slash learning framework? There is no framework, dude. Like you just make it. Uh, the framework would be prototype karo. Like well to get confidence in building things. That's it. Skipped HTML CSS. Why would you do that? Not that there is anything to learn over here right now, but I mean, you would better to just like go through it for like a week and khatam karo. No, do not encourage Shashwat. How do you usually build stuff? No, not based. Okay. What do you usually do when you get stuck? You read, you go to Stack Overflow, you try to minimize the problem to that particular thing, and like, well, you just figure it out. It's like, you Claude वगैरह से पूछ लो अगर चाहो तो. मतलब, see, the problem with this is also there's a lot of permission in some sense being asked, which is a problem in college. Just like you can build anything, you can do anything. Yeah, when you get stuck, you find a solution. Like there is no one way to find a solution. You just see ki, like if someone has solved it pehle, see how they've done it. And most like whatever you're learning right now, someone has solved it in some way or the other. So there's no novelty in what you would be doing when you're building stuff right now, which is fine. Like, not that just because it's not new doesn't mean it's not useful. So, like, just see what others have done on the same thing you're working on. Yeah, just make whatever excites you. And like, dude, we're like, हम भी अभी start हो रहे programming में, in the sense कि, like, you see the senior devs with like 10 years of experience, 20 years of experience, you know, like, you see them and you're like, oh, this is who I'd want to be, right? So start mimicking their patterns, ask their thought process if you can. So just helps in that part. अब ये solve क्यों नहीं हो रहा? And also, like, I don't think I'm qualified to give advices because like I'm still building a lot of things myself and learning काफी. So yeah. Oh. Oh. Okay. The type field to the timer type field. Got it. Okay. No. I think I know what he meant. Yeah. इसको तो करो टाइप. ठीक है. है तो डेटा. Please tell me that is data. How do you find your niche? Dude, we're all finding a niche. You're asking the wrong people over here. Like, you just start with something, you see if you like using it, and usme you start making things on your own. Like, I started using NeoVim because I saw this, like, the streamer I watch, Primagen, जिसका भी दिखाया, he uses it. I liked the editor. I started using it. Turns out you can make stuff in it. So I made a few things for NeoVim. Like, you'll get the ideas. Just like just explore your curiosity basically. I thought I would do after just JS nicely. There is nothing to pick up in HTML CSS. It's just like structure and styling over there. So just like get it done. And like also with JavaScript, you don't learn JavaScript. Like get the basics out. But there's a lot of things जहाँ पे like after 2 years of learning JavaScript in some sense, um, the use case I found for something called deep cloning was when I was working on this open source project जो भी है. So this is something you keep learning on the way. So like like your goal should be what do I make, and then what are the things I need to learn to make that particular thing. So go for that. And baki like I think you're in first year. You don't have to like you have time. Yeah, you're in second semester, dude. You have like 4 years. So like learn the basics, make your CRUD stuff पहले, and then like baki हो जाएगा. Just genuinely be curious about programming, I think. Now, इसको export करते हैं. Also, I would require, yeah. What is the issue? Do we need to take out Xcalibur? Bye, Shashwat. Dude, I don't think we're worth following. like हम कोई नहीं है भाई. This is too loud. Okay. Yeah, that was the issue. Let's write it down. पहले क्या हो रहा है? CSV export is not one-on-one with XLXX import. Okay. What is the flow? CSV export. XLXX import. Issue क्या आ रहा है? Your blocks get interpreted as events. Okay. क्या नोट करना था? Timer type and type are aggregated under Excel. Okay. Makes sense. So, उन्होंने क्या मेंशन करा? Oh. Okay. Maybe they should be, but we can't break the half here, as I mentioned. On time should say somewhere in the export what is the type of the entry, but that's about it. It should still be up to the user to make the map correctly. This is inconvenient but not incorrect. Oh, is that it? The UI allows special rules for importing. Thank you for taking. It makes sense to me either that the CSV export when this is a block. Got it. Okay. The UI allows special rules for importing when there is no time data. This is too much of work, I think. For now, you can work around by creating a timer type column and setting it to block. You can see examples of this. Oh, okay. So ये जो import preview है, this is your import map in some sense, not this. Yeah, this is your import options, right? हाँ. Okay, column name in spreadsheet. So if your timer type, I mean, if you're calling it type, that doesn't make sense. But wouldn't we want a type over here? Timer type column and setting it to block. Huh. Isn't that what we did? Timer type. Cancel, import. What was the default? Type. Timer type. Import preview. Timer type is here. But the type over here is block. तो इशू क्या आ रहा है? Like over here, timer type यही तो है. Oh, we would need block only on this now. Yeah, because if it's not an event, okay. Technically, we're not supposed to test the backend, but we're gonna test the backend. We're really not supposed to test the backend. Technically, it's fine, but ठीक है. Server, parser, parse Excel. Like, I just want to try something. Timer type पे अगर करना है, yes, this is good. But the problem is over here, because this is empty, उसमें event आ रहा है, right? It is not a block or a known type, so we don't import it, which is not what's happening right now. So, maybe time type is equal to event. Okay. 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 Cancel. That's how you do it. I knew backend पे कुछ missing था. Okay, that worked. Finally. Yeah, hell yeah, let's go. कोई है भी शाश्वत तूने मिस कर दिया क्या? छी यार. हाँ, that makes sense. Okay. The thing is, do we have to accompany delays? Because like delay पे, like we're skipping over here, ना? Yeah, sorted. I think that's sorted. Change is done. I think we can open PR. इसको now what we do is to test. Thank you. Clear this. Come here. Come here. Cancel. Import preview. We have apply. Don't create. No, we don't want to create. Lunch break. Let's go. Done. Okay. Let's go, boys. Yes. So, but what was this about mapping wala? Oh, what? Okay. This is happening खुद से only, ना? Like, are we specifying इसमें timer type क्या है? No. तो वो aggregate कैसे कर पा रहा है? to locale lowercase dot trim. Okay. Okay. Timer type. Let's go. What map timer type? Util source. Timer type. Import map, na? Spreadsheet. Yes. Timer type. क्या कर रहा हूँ? Yes. Okay, this is being interpreted properly now, but that's what. Uh, yeah, I think this is correct, Abhi. Okay. Backend पे क्या change है? Excel input. This was the change, no? Okay. I think ये sort हो गया. Are aggregated under Excel, तो because that is aggregated, वो खुद ही फिर उसमें हो रहा है. Let's try again. Not that. Oh wait, actually इसका CSV export करते हैं. हुआ नहीं हुआ. What? Why disconnected? Oh, what happened here? Cannot find imported. What? What do you mean you can't find it? सब तो है. चलो बग तो सॉर्ट हो गया. What? ये सब नहीं चाहिए भाई. 57 ना. I have time till 7:30. Where is the point about aggregated? नहीं. He is using two features to make a flow. Unfortunately, the features are not meant by us. Maybe they should be using it as an intermediate format. Fair, okay. As I mentioned in the issue, on time should. Oh, it will still be up to the user to make the map correctly. This is inconvenient, but not incorrect. Again, these are two separate features. Got it. On time should say somewhere in the export what is the type of the entry. That's about it. Oh, got it. Fit to sorted. Where is the yeah. Machine to machine communication transport, while we expect CSV for ठीक है. The entry, but in Excel this is abbreviated to a timer type column which aggregates the type on time. Okay. When the users import an Excel file, they can provide an import map. If we were to export a column type, all they would need to do is to change the import map to use that column as timer type. So we're not changing anything on the backend. Backend पे कुछ change नहीं करना ना फिर. The thing I am thinking about is that front end पे तो done. There was like a small change. Demo project CSV. Perfect. This works. This is great. We are done with this part. But issue कहाँ पे आ रहा है फिर? Where is the is the जो event है, is it being interpreted here or here? Oh, it is the keys वाले में. We don't even have to change this, do we? भाई it's like it's done. मैं क्यों confuse हो रहा हूँ बीच में? Event. Like I know it's done. I know we just have to export this, but I think this is like needed. So इसके बिना try मारते हैं. Export तो कर लिया भाई. Downloads, RM1, import. Yes, thank you. Okay. If I import preview, this is what's happening. And this is with the type field, no? Demo project. ये वाला हो रहा है ना यूज बिकॉज टाइमर टाइप तो जब तक यहाँ तक आ रहा है वेयर इज इट तो जब यहाँ पे तो दो ही आ रहे हैं फिर इवेंट्स व्हाई if it is not we don't import it. That's the issue. We're not importing this part because यहाँ पे I think we're correct over here. I think we'll have to do this time for good measure, by the way. We should probably do it over here to stay consistent. Time type now makes sense. Okay. Okay, I think this is अगर नहीं हुआ then we'll change But I think this is correct because we have block, we have event, and we have delay. Delay हम export नहीं कर रहे, which is fine. Is there anywhere console.log? Boom, हट जाओ. Okay. Git diff. Only these three changes. Perfect. Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to git add. There we go. Keep refactor export type column for rundown. Add type column in rundown export. That's one. We come to server. Yeah. Git add, git commit, refactor, check if timer type, add timer type. क्या नाम दे सकते हैं जो सेंस बनाता है? Add timer type as event branch. As event in conditional branch. Nah. Add event as check for timer type as event condition. Add timer type as event condition. भाई एक message में this should not take so much time. As event. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, good, we're done. Git push origin head. Let's go. Let's go. I would like to see the branch first. Thank you very much. 2 commits ahead. Let's go. Point is ये भी है ना? What is validate timer type doing? Validate timer type. Like, what is it returning? Oh, fallback. What is the fallback? Oh, the default would be countdown. Okay, perfect. Won't that be an issue, Phil? Or will it? Server slash parser. हाँ, यहाँ पे हम काउंटडाउन कर ही रहे, राइट? Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, makes sense. Okay, I think we're good to go. Chalo. Think we can create the PR. So we should not call it fix also then, na? Refactor probably. Block events, yes. Block event, xlxx import. Yeah, I should have not, like the branch name should be different. How to rename a branch in Git. Can we? Refactor block event xlxx. ठीक है. Let's not think about that too much. Changes made, exported type. क्या कहते हैं, column on front end. Added a condition to check if maybe time type is equal to event. Without this falls under the else block, and none of the events except block none of the events get imported. And condition to mutant is equal to event. Okay. Without this false. Without this, the flow falls into the else block, where none of the events get imported. Only the blocks get imported. Done. Okay. Screenshots. Changes made. Addresses. Block वाला कहाँ है? 1310. Yes. Changes made. This screenshots. Talk to me. Project data. Yes. CSV rundown. ठीक है. So now, nvim demo project 1. I will change the color theme because looks better. CSV export. Load हो जा. Type event create. Review under importing. Review during importing Excel. This ये अपना Excel हो गया ना, इसमें भी इधर import कर लेते हैं for good measure, of course. Nice. Okay. Excel एक्सपोर्ट एक्सेल में आ गया। इंपोर्ट में चलो इसको वापस वो कर लेता हूँ फॉर गुड मेजर ऑफ कोर्स। नाइस। हाँ, oh yeah, they can give a add custom field, right? Yeah, anyway, import preview. Whoa, what? Whoa. That does not make sense. Whoa. हाँ, type. Did I not add that? कर तो दिया था। Bro, what? That does not make sense. Huh. What? Okay. That was weird. इसमें लेकिन हो रहा है। What is the difference? Also, aren't we missing stuff over here? I think we're missing stuff over here. Okay. Server restart करो. That was not expected. This is not a big bug, dude. This should not take like इतना time. ठीक है. This is what we added, which is good. This is working. This was supposed to work. इसको हटाओ. तुम तो चल ही नहीं रहे थे बॉस. डाउनलोड्स RM import. ओके, यहाँ पे ये सब आ गया. Great. Now I will export this. Test fix import 3. What? Was something different over here? Is this timer type over here? Ah, got it. Yeah. Utils. Okay, so ओके, अब काम करेगा ये. Okay, 7:30 तक, like we have to open the PRS का. Import from spreadsheet. Wait, पहले तो export करो. Timer type event block. Great. ओके, टाइमर टाइप ये सब पब्लिक वगैरह आ गया. इंपोर्ट फ्रॉम स्प्रेडशीट, टेक्स्ट फिक्स. Yeah, but it's also missing like these pointers, no? नहीं? चलो ये पार्ट तो सॉर्टेड है. Okay, that like we'll not get into that. Um, like all that should show here, no? Matlab, that's like the only thing. Okay, block, break, apply, return. Hmm. Okay. Um, Type column header to timer type head. Hmm. तो ये तो गलत हो गया, राइट? इसमें देख टाइप करा है ना, गलत है ये। Now just to confirm something, if I remove parser from Excel, point is if I remove this, तो इसका क्या रिएक्शन होगा? Yeah, ठीक है, I'm correct to add that. I think we're good to go then. That's not, no. Yeah, now, okay, perfect. Point is, अब अगर इसको मैं जब एक्सपोर्ट करूँ वापस, timer type event, here. Now when I import again, ये क्यों मिस हो रहा है? Okay, that like I'll raise that up. Yeah, okay. Block. Great. Also, I guess that is only in this particular flow, right? I have to consider that. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good to go. All right, any change? Yeah. ओके, चलो भाई स्ट्रीम खत्म करते फिर। क्या कुछ एरर आ गया? और रिव्यू स्किप ब्रो। मेरे स्ट्रीम यार, हाँ चलो भाई, गुड स्ट्रीम, ओपन पीआर एंड व्हाट नॉट। अब देखते हैं, आई डोंट थिंक इसको चेंज करना होगा, बट गुड टू गो। एंड स्ट्रीम, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग, बाय बाय।